Today's video, we're going to change the ear pads on a pair of Peltor Range Guard earmuffs. You can see they've been damaged from wearing safety glasses when I was shooting. They're 6 or 7 years old. I think they cost about $50 when I bought them. And the replacement cups were something like $26 on Amazon. This is the box, and this is what came out of the box. Came with a set of directions. Basically, we have to pull these off, so they will come off fairly easy. Put you on hold. So I just peeled up a corner, grabbed it with the needle nose pliers, and just kind of rolled it right off. And here's what we got. Now we're going to take this little plastic mounting plate off. I'm going to get a little screwdriver, a knife blade behind here, and pry that off. And what I did is I just took a open-end wrench, put it in like that, and pried down on the round end, and it popped it right off. And now we got this. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to peel this foam off so I can see that inner ring a little bit easier. I imagine you could do it all in one motion. And I did do it in one motion. I just put the wrench underneath it and popped it right off. Now this is going to get snapped in to here. There's not a left or a right or an up and a down, so I'm just going to put it in place and snap it in. I took a lens wipe for cleaning glasses and just gave these a good wipe. They appear to be clean, but I wiped them down anyways. And now we're just going to peel off the 3M and very carefully stick it on there, one at a time, and hold it into place. I'm squeezing it. Let that glue set up for a little bit. After I stuck them on, I just kind of went around pushing it kind of in the middle so I wouldn't pop this gel casing, whatever the heck's in there. So I don't know. The quality is, right now, seems a little bit iffy. But I use them every week, so I'll come back with a report in a few weeks and let you know how they held up.